Welcome back to another Saturday's recipe. This is Sadia, and you're watching Adrenaline in My Mind. Dumplings are one of the most famous recipes of South Asia, and today we're going to recreate the original Darjeeling style momos. Firstly, we're gonna start off by taking 200 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl, and then I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of salt. To that goes about 3 tablespoons of oil and a cup of water to knead the dough. Once the dough is soft and smooth, we're gonna keep it aside to rest. Till then, we're gonna make our momo mixture. For this recipe, I'm using 3 simple ingredients, which is 1 finely chopped onion, 2 grated carrots, and a bowl of grated cabbage. We're going to let it saute for a while, and then we're going to add a little salt to taste, followed by 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Just going to leave it on the heat for about 2 minutes, and that's it. Back to the dough, we're gonna take out small portions from it, like very small portions, because we want the momo sheets to be super thin. So we're going to roll it out, making sure that the sides are thinner than the center. Making momos is a little time consuming, but it's worth all the effort. Next, we're gonna fill bite-sized portions in the center. Subscribe to the channel yet, please do, and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. The tricky part is how you fold the momos. All you have to do is make pleats from the sides of the momos and keep gathering them until you come to the center. Then all you do is pinch all the sheets together, pleats together, and that's it. Now keep repeating and make the rest of the momos. The leaf-shaped momos, you want to fold pleats on one side, and then you want to come to the next side, and then fold again. And once it's done, you want to bring both sides together and pinch them. There you go. In the momos, I'm using my noodle strainer. You can also use an idli steamer. You really don't need to have a momo steamer. Whereas the other way is to fry the momos if you don't want to steam them this way. Make sure to oil the base because you don't want the momos to stick after it's been heated in there. I'm going to place the noodle strainer onto a pot of hot boiling water and then cover it with a lid, making sure all the sides are packed. Then you want to leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even longer. To check if they're properly cooked, you want to insert a toothpick and just see. To make the spicy momo chutney, all you need are 2 tomatoes, a few cloves of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of black salt, and grind it up. You can also add a few drops of red food coloring if you want. Then add some oil in a pan and dump all the tomato mixture into this. We want to cook it for about 10 minutes until it comes to a consistency like this. If you have any suggestions in the comment below, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I make videos every Saturday, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Hot steamy Darjeeling momos are ready. So let's break into one. Haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do, and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you next Saturday. Until then, happy cooking!